As before, set this up with the larger of the two numbers on top. That keeps the number of answer lines I need to a minimum. Show what I'm doing. There we go. Now the 8 is going to start here. The 5 is going to start here, which means we can fill that with a 0. The 2 is going to start here, which means we can fill the gaps to the right of it with zeros as well, just like before. They're the three answer lines that I'm going to need. So I can put another dividing line underneath that. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm going to place the 6 in the box here and carry the 1, which is the leading digit, up to the next column. 8 times nothing is nothing, plus 1 is 1. Nice and easy. 8 times 7 is 56. So again, the 6 goes here, and the 5 gets carried. And then the next column, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is 29. Now I've run out of things to multiply, so I can just put the whole answer there, 29. Again, making sure only one digit per column. Okay, so now that I've finished with this digit, I can cross it off. I'll move on to the next one. Now my answer is going to be on this line here, starting in this box. 5 times 2 is 10. So I put the 0 here and I carry the 1. Now cross that off and replace it with the current carry. Even if it's the same number, it's best to do that. 5 times nothing is nothing, plus 1 is 1. So put a 1 there. 5 times 7 is 35. So the 5 goes in the answer box and the 3 gets carried up. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. And I can see that I've run out of things to multiply, so I just put the 1 and the 8 in those boxes there. And I've finished with the 5. So now I'll move on to the 2. The answer for the 2 is going to start being written in here. 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, that's easy. 2 times nothing is nothing. 2 times 7 is 14. So again, the 4 goes in that next available slot, and the 1 gets carried up to there. 2 times 3 is 6. Add the carry. 1 gives me 7. So now I've got my three answer lines. All I need to do is add them up. So 6 plus nothing is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So I put the 1 there and carry the 1 to the top. That's from using the same process again. The end digit goes in the box. The other digits get carried up to the top. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So once again, the 5 goes in the box there and the 1 gets carried to the top. 3, 11, 15. 1, 2, 9. And there it is.